Have you ever tried to lose weight and it seemed like a waste of time and energy? And it seemed like you weren't getting the shape you wanted? I know you've tried a lot of different exercises and supplements, but here's a natural workout that helps you get in shape. So if you're struggling with your weight and feeling discouraged, know that it's never too late to make a change. Start small, stay committed, and remember that every step forward is a step closer to your own transformation. This workout has also worked for me and my clients and family. It will work for you too. So sit back, watch the video, implement it, and see how you will transform in no time. Don't watch the video alone. Share it with those who are struggling to lose belly fat. Tell them it's time to end this little disease they're suffering from. You're the angel that has come to save them. If you're getting value from this channel, why not subscribe and turn on the notifications button so when I release a valuable video, you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you. Before we jump into the workout, what are some unhealthy eating habits that you need to break in order to see quick results in 10 days? 1, eating too much sugar. Most people eat more added sugar on a daily basis than they realize. To reduce your sugar intake, you can cut back on sugary foods such as ketchup. Ketchup is a condiment that is widely consumed around the world. Like BBQ sauce, ketchup is often loaded with sugar. Too poor diet, excessive calorie intake, particularly from sugary beverages, high-fat foods, and processed carbohydrates can cause fat to accumulate around your abdomen, so reduce it. 3, lack of sleep. Lack of sleep isn't good for health. Make sure you're getting enough restful sleep each night. Lack of sleep can affect your metabolism and your hunger hormones. But studies have shown that sleep deprivation can lead to weight gain, including abdominal fat. 4, not drinking enough water. Drinking water helps with digestion, metabolism, and control of your appetite, so always stay hydrated.
5, not eating enough protein.
Eating lean protein helps in controlling your cravings and increases your metabolism to get a better shape like me. 6, eating portion. If you are the kind of person who always eats a big portion, be sure to reduce your portion size. Choose a small plate and then place your food on it. Choose a smaller plate so that you don't eat too much. When eating, be sure to eat slowly. Taking a few minutes to eat your food is a good habit to make. These are the things to cut down if you want to get a faster result for this workout. Are you happy with this information? Let's get to the workout.